Good morning, students. We are going to start with pollution of water. Water that contains substances harmful to living beings is called polluted water. So when harmful substances are present in water, it is said to be polluted water. Air dissolved in water as also a very small amount of metal salts present in water are beneficial to living beings. The air which is dissolved in water and some of the salts of metal which are present in water in dissolved form are useful for living beings. Hence, water contains these things is considered to be unpolluted. So this type of water which contains air and some metals, useful metals and salts in it is not called polluted water, it is unpolluted. Then we have causes of water pollution. Substances that cause pollution are called pollutants. Pollutants are mostly produced by human activities. When human beings perform various activities, then the pollution occurs, and some of the following are the causes of water pollution. Number 1, sewage and garbage. Sewage or the waste water from homes. The waste water which is released from the homes, offices and so on is the major cause of water pollution. Garbage dumped over the soil also pollutes water bodies as it is washed off into them by rainwater. Even the garbage which we just throw out over the soil causes water pollution, because when rain comes, all those are washed into the water bodies. Soluble pollutants present in the garbage seep through the soil and pollute groundwater as well. And there are some soluble pollutants present in the garbage, and when rain comes, some of them get dissolved in rainwater and seep into the groundwater and make the groundwater also polluted. Industrial waste. Waste from industries contain harmful chemicals. Big industries are there and they are releasing their waste, and all those waste contain harmful chemicals which are directly discharged into water bodies, making the water bodies polluted, and they do not only make the water unfit for human use but also kill the plants and animals living in water. So when chemical waste is discharged into the water bodies, that it even kills the plants and animals which are living in water. Runoff and agricultural land. Farmers are spraying pesticides and all, those are all chemicals on their crops to increase the production of crops and to protect them from the pests. But these pollute the water, because when rain comes, all those chemicals, they are washed off and the water flows into the water bodies, making it polluted. And these chemicals are harmful for living beings, including humans. Waste from hospitals. These waste contain disease-causing germs and other dangerous substances, and that are harmful for us and for other organisms. Other waste. Bathing and washing in water bodies, dumping dead bodies into the rivers, and bathing animals in water bodies are some of the causes of water pollution. Defecation. Defecation means discharging waste in the open, also causes water pollution, since rainwater washes off the excreta into the water bodies. When rain comes, it washes all that excreta into the water bodies. How we can control water pollution? These are following are the steps for the control of water pollution. Number 1, sewage should be treated before being discharged into rivers and lakes. So the waste which is generated at homes and in offices should be first treated and then the water should be discharged into the water bodies. Industrial waste water must be treated to remove the harmful substances, mainly the chemicals. Only then should the waste water be discharged into the rivers or lakes. Then pesticides must be used in limited quantity so that when rain comes, they are not going to cause harm to the water bodies. Dead bodies should be cremated or buried. Cremated means burnt, or they should be buried in the ground and not just thrown into the water bodies. People should not bathe or wash in water bodies, because when we take bath or when we wash clothes in water bodies, all those detergents and the soap water goes into it. They should also not defecate in the open.